Joseph Neuberger joins us to talk more about what happened today. 31 charges. He's acquitted on all of them, found not guilty on all of them. What does that say about the Crown's prosecution and, before it, the RCMP's investigation?
Well, the investigation and the prosecution was built on straw. They knew full well that after the report on the Senate, that the guidelines and the rules and policies that were in place for expenditures were archaic, vague, and nonspecific. And so they were dealing with very unsure ground to launch this investigation and ultimately the prosecution.
But they went ahead and did it anyway.
Yes, because sometimes, given the nature of what was going on behind the scenes, some cases need to play out in a public forum, and you can't underscore the political element of this case. So it needed to be heard in the public, and the public needed to hear what the result would be with such a good decision. I think it's understandable to most people.
Now, there are other senators being investigated right now, and we think of Pamela Wallen, certainly one of them. What's likely to happen in their cases as a result of what we witnessed today?
Well, I think the investigators and the prosecutors will now have to carefully scrutinize the facts that they're building their case on, because they know that there is a judicial standard, a statement now made, that the rules and policies in place are non-specific, and it does not give good guidance. And so if they want to launch ahead with another prosecution like this, they could be in deep trouble.
Last point, for Duffy, any recourse that he could have at this point?
Absolutely. I think, first of all, he wants to recoup his fees to one extent. He's been vilified in the media. He was a certain target for sure. He was a poster boy for this type of problems with the Senate. So he's going to be looking at a way to sue the government. There could be issues with respect to slander and libel, and also looking at the prosecution's case itself, whether it should have been brought at all.
So he's got some big decisions to make.
Yes, he'll have to do some exploring and then make some very serious decisions soon.
All right. Joseph, thanks very much.
My pleasure. Thank you.